Right, we need to proceed to solve for x here. And we have been given this particular inequality, which is formed by x minus 1 into x minus 4 is strictly greater than x plus 11. And we present a solution to this particular question as follows. Right, so we have exactly x minus 1 into x minus 4. And this is strictly bigger than x plus 11. Right, expanding this, we have exactly x squared minus 5x plus 4. This is strictly bigger than x plus 11. Transposing these two terms on the right actually gives exactly x squared minus 6x minus 7 is strictly bigger than 0. Okay, now let's look at the factors of these. Let's look at the factors of these. What are the factors of this expression? Right, to get the factors of this, we actually multiply x squared and minus 7. And we get minus 7x squared. We look for the factors of minus 7x squared. That gives us minus 6. And those are exactly minus 7x together with x, like so. So that we have here x squared minus 7x plus x. So we take the minus 7x and the x and subtract 7. And this is strictly bigger than 0. Factoring x, we have x into x minus 7 plus into x minus 7. This is strictly bigger than 0. Upon further examination, we can see that the highest common factor here in this expression here, in this inequality, is actually x minus 7. And if we factor x minus 7 out, we shall be left with exactly, we can even put this in parentheses like so that we shall be left with x plus 1. Right, so we have x minus 7, and then we have x plus 1, and is actually strictly bigger than, check the inequality here, is bigger than 0. Okay, so we continue right now to solve this. So now if we proceed to solve this, we have the following. Right, we have the critical values. Right, the critical values. And the critical values are x equals 7, x equals minus 1. So that in the end, what you have is x minus 7, x plus 1. Right, and you draw a number line like so of the x values, and you position here, for example, minus 1, and you also position 7 here. Okay, right, you put a vertical line here like this, and you put another vertical line here like so. Right, to the left of, for example, to the left of minus 1, you can pick a random number like minus 2, minus 2 minus that, which is a minus. Minus 2 plus 1, it's a minus. Between negative and positive is 0. 0 minus, it's negative, and this is plus. Bigger than 7 is a plus, and this is a plus. Okay, so in the end, what we have is the following. Right, just drawing a clear line here. Okay. After having drawn that line here, we proceed as follows. So you can actually just make things a bit neater, just a little bit. And obviously, this is your horizontal axis. and this is -1, and this is exactly 7. And then you have x minus 7 into x plus 1. Right. Now, if you multiply this, now because this multiplies x minus 7 to x plus 1, so you multiply negative by negative, and you get a plus. Right. You multiply negative by positive, and you have a negative. And you multiply the positive and positive, you have positive. Okay, so in the end, then we are looking for where this is greater than 0, and greater than 0 happens when x is, when you go to the left of -1. So when x is strictly less than -1, or when x is bigger than 7. So we have that. We have that. So we're good. X is less than -1, or x is bigger than 7, like this. Right, and these solutions can as well, so we have solved for x, and this is pretty much sufficient. Right, it's pretty much sufficient, but obviously these solutions can even be sketched on the real line. We can sketch these on the number line like so. Having -1 and 7, less than -1, you have this here. Bigger than 7, you have that there. So as a consequence then, these obviously are the solutions to the particular inequality, and we have solved this problem in detail. Thanks everyone for your attention and time, and goodbye to you.